Hello and welcome to this 4-minute daily tarot. This is going to be for April 11th. Before we get into this reading, I want to remind us of what we got yesterday. Yesterday we got the Wheel of Fortune and a lot of new happy emotional cards indicating that we are starting this new cycle emotionally, this new cycle within us. Just feeling better and really being able to embrace love and come from this love and gratitude and optimism rather than coming from fear and doubt. So in looking at today's cards, I feel like yesterday's cards were just the beginning of a cycle. So something was initiated, something was kickstarted yesterday, but it's going to be a progression that you're going to see evolve over time. So today's cards are kind of like the first step in this. And today's cards are recognizing where you are coming from currently or where you have been coming from recently. And so we start off with the 10 of Wands paired with the 9 of Pentacles. So what this card indicates is you are feeling like if you want to bring something into your world, whatever that is, like a new career, more abundance, a new love or a better relationship, whatever it is physically you want to see in your world, you are feeling like you have to do everything. You're feeling burdened by it. You're feeling overwhelmed. You're feeling like you're just doing so much and it's exhausting at times. And right after that, we get the 5 of Cups, which is talking about looking at things from this point of just being overwhelmed and being burdened and looking at things and saying, why isn't it going right? I want this so badly. Why can't I just get there? And then the Judgment card in reverse comes to say the exact same thing. It's talking about being very hard on ourselves, being very harsh and judgmental of ourselves, and even maybe judgmental in what we're seeing in the world around us. So all of these cards, especially since they come right after we got this new cycle beginning, is talking about these are things that we must let go of. We must let go of in this journey. The 10 of Wands is talking about allowing others to do for you, delegating, maybe even putting something aside or dropping some projects or some things that just aren't necessary right now. The 5 of Cups, if you look at it the other way, all he has to do is turn around and see the 2 cups that are there for him. But he's just overwhelmed at looking at things that haven't gone right, that he doesn't even know that he can turn around and see what is still there for them and for him. And then in the Judgment, if that comes upright, then it's talking about this new freedom, this rebirth. So it's really just a reminder. Anything that you feel is burdening you, how can you take that burden off your shoulders? You are not responsible for everybody else. You don't have to do and push and struggle as much as maybe you think you do or as you have been doing in the past. So quickly I want to show you the 2 angel cards that we got and explain how these kind of pull the entire reading together. So the first card that we got was savings, and the next card we got was successful funding. So these can be talking about finances, but it's really just talking about any expression of energy. What we're being encouraged to do today is save our energy, give back to ourselves. This can also talk about saving finances and preparing for the future. But what I'm feeling like is as you save this energy, then things are going to naturally come into place. And that's what the successful funding card is coming to tell us. It's like when you invest in yourself, when you let go of the burden, then you free yourself of some of these lower energies, lower vibrational feelings and emotions, and you open yourself up to avenues and doors that you just can't see right now or haven't been apparent in the past. So I know I went over just a little bit, but I do feel like this was important to talk about today. So I'm wishing you so much love and light, beginning this brand new journey. Just allow yourself the freedom that you deserve. Have a beautiful day.